Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix desktop icons missing on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, you have to be on your desktop. As you can see, I don't have any desktop icons over here. Now to get the icons, what I have to do is just right click anywhere and I'll get this menu. From here, just go to View, and after you go to View, you're gonna find many options, and at the bottom, you'll see Show Desktop Icons. Just click on it and it will bring back your desktop icon. And even after that, if you don't see anything on your desktop, what you have to do is right click on the desktop again, and from here just go to Personalize. From Personalize, go inside Themes. Inside Themes, under Related Settings, you'll find Desktop Icons. From here, you can select which icons you want on your desktop. Just tick them and click on Apply, click on OK. Then just go back to your desktop and you're gonna see every single icon over here. And basically that is how to get desktop icons on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.